In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Pictory. First, you'll want to head over to Pictory's website. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection, as this will ensure the process goes smoothly. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page of this impressive AI video editing platform. Pictory is renowned for its user-friendly interface, making video editing a breeze, even for beginners. Now to continue, you'll need to sign in to the platform. Look for the option that says Continue with Google. Clicking this will allow you to log in using your Google credentials, a convenient feature that saves you the trouble of remembering another set of login details. Make sure you're already logged into the correct Google account, or be prepared to enter your Google credentials when prompted. This brings us to the next step. A window will appear with your Google account options. Click on the account you want to use for logging in to Pictory. After selecting your account, you'll be directed to confirm your login. Click Continue to proceed. This step is essential to ensure that the integration with Google is seamless, and it enhances your security by verifying that it's indeed you trying to log in. Once you've completed these steps and are successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on Pictory's main dashboard. At the dashboard, you'll see several service options right in front of you. Whether it's converting an image to video, audio to video, or URL to video, Pictory has you covered. Decide which service best suits your needs for this particular project and click on it to get started. Each service offers a unique way to transform your content, allowing for a highly customizable editing experience. Now it's time to add your video. Look for a button or a prompt that says Browse. Clicking this will open a file picker window, but Pictory also has a drag and drop functionality that many find convenient. Simply drag your video file from your desktop or folder and drop it into the designated area on the platform. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing multiple files at once. Once you've selected or dropped your video file, you'll need to confirm your choice. Look for the Open button, which will finalize the uploading process. Clicking Open will ensure that Pictory imports your file ready for editing. Once your video is uploaded, you can start utilizing Pictory's array of powerful editing tools to enhance your video, whether it's trimming footage, adding text or effects, or adjusting the audio. And there you have it, you've successfully added a video in Pictory. Thank you for following.